Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to do a Chinese pork and cabbage stir fry. You're going to start with a little bit of oil in a cast iron pan we do, and then about a pound of lean pork sliced thin. So you're going to want to brown this pork really well in that oil. It's going to create a lot of flavor there for you as we go along with the recipe. So you're just going to brown this really well and keep it in the pan. Once it's browned, you're going to add garlic. So it's going to be 2 to 3 tablespoons of garlic that you're going to want to add to this meat mixture. You're going to want to be careful not to burn the garlic. So this was, I don't know, I did like 4 teaspoons. I do a lot of pre-chopped garlic at the beginning of the week and just keep it in the fridge because I use garlic quite a bit with greens and things of that nature. You're just going to saute this around until the garlic gets kind of golden. You don't want it to burn. That's really important. Otherwise your dish will taste bitter. Once you're all browned and your garlic is golden, you're going to actually add the Savoy cabbage. So this dish, the Savoy cabbage is kind of important. The texture and everything that it lends is quite nice. You could do this dish with regular cabbage, but it is a lot tastier with the Savoy, which is kind of that crinkly Chinese cabbage. You can see it here. You're going to just mix that through. You want to kind of stir fry that or saute that down a little bit. Savoy is also good because it keeps its kind of texture, like not just the bumpy texture, but it also stays al dente or a little bit more crunchy even as you saute it. So that's why it's important for this one. You don't want it to get too wet or too mushy. You want it to kind of keep its nice crispness. So you're going to just toss this around, make sure that it's coated. You're trying to get up any of the brown bits that might be on the pan, etc. Then you're going to add in 2 teaspoons of sherry, 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos, and about a half a teaspoon of coconut sugar. Remember, I don't know if you saw some of my other videos, but the sherry is AIP approved. The alcohol cooks off. If you're worried about it at all, you can leave it out of this dish and just use the coconut aminos and the coconut sugar instead. You're going to cover it and kind of saute it for just a couple minutes to kind of wilt the cabbage down a bit. At that point, you'll uncover. You're going to add a 1/4 cup to half a cup of water or stock. I used water and the flavor was fine. You're just going to do that to deglaze the pan. You want to get all those brown bits and pork flavors up off the bottom of the pan, anything that's stuck to the pan. That'll give a lot of extra flavor to your dish. So you're going to just stir that around, break up all the bits and get it done. If you need to, if the cabbage is not quite where you want it to be, you can cover it again and cook it for a few more minutes or steam it for a few more minutes. You just don't want to let the cabbage get soggy or soft. You want to keep that sort of crispness to it. Once you've got it to where you basically want it, you're going to uncover it again. If you'd covered it, you're going to add in about half a teaspoon of either apple cider vinegar or coconut vinegar. You're going to add in 2 green onions that are kind of chopped up for the last minute flavor there. You're going to stir it all together and it should be good to go. Then you just serve and enjoy. All right, everybody, I hope you like this one as much as we do. We'll just see you in the next video.